Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox not crash on mobile. First, always close all other background applications before you launch Roblox. This frees up valuable memory. Next, ensure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage space. Insufficient space can cause instability. Finally, a simple but effective step is to restart your mobile device regularly to clear out any temporary data and refresh its performance. Optimizing your in-game settings is crucial for a smoother experience. Start by lowering the graphics quality to the absolute lowest setting available within Roblox. This significantly reduces the visual load. Also, disable any unnecessary in-game effects, such as shadows or complex textures, which can strain your device. Reducing the render distance will also help, as your device won't need to process as much of the game world at once. Maintaining your device is key to preventing crashes. Always keep your mobile device's operating system updated to its latest version, as updates often include performance improvements. Regularly clear the cache for the Roblox application through your device settings. This removes old, potentially corrupt data. For optimal performance, ensure your device has sufficient RAM, ideally 4 GB or more, to handle the game's demands. Your network connection plays a significant role in game stability. Always try to use a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection rather than relying on mobile data, which can be inconsistent. Avoid playing Roblox in areas known for poor network coverage, as frequent disconnections can lead to crashes. Lastly, close any other applications that might be consuming bandwidth, ensuring Roblox has the best possible connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.